Yeah, this is what you want.
So that's just a piece of PVC pipe.
Right, PVC pipe. And some people use a straight stick and then just have some little cuts on the side to, all you're wanting is to not have to go all the way down to the ground to do this. Chris has done this when he worked for us that summer. And then you can put this in your belt. And then you're ready to go.
There you go, baby.
But I'm not going to put it in my belt since I have no belt on. We'll just leave it on the ground here. Let's see, there's the bloom. This would be typically about 6 or 8 inches above the ground. And so what you do is go on one side and then move to the other side and then circle around like that. What you're doing is building a fence on both sides of the plants. And then in order to circle around, you'll come back over like that. Then come down here, go on the other side, and then circle around. And you can see that it crosses in the middle, and that keeps the plants from moving back and forth. Okay, then you come on up to where the next one is going to be. Then the second time out, you just keep going down because you're not having to keep them in place. And then come up the other side. Of course, you'll be walking on both sides of the rows when you're doing this. All right, now what you've got, as you can see here, you crisscross the first time through to keep the plants from moving back. And by the time you're this far up, you're far enough along to where you can just build a fence on both sides, all the way down and then all the way back. And then you keep going to however tall you've got your stakes. And then if you've got stakes this tall and your plants are overgrowing it, you can always just cut them off or let them flop over, whatever you want.
How far apart are your tomatoes and your steak?
18 inches.
So 18 inches apart for the tomatoes, and then the steak every
Every 2 plants.
2 plants.
Right.